Everybody, welcome back to the Sawmill. Before we get started with today's video, Deb and I have got a couple of stickers we want to get put on the splitter from Old Guy Firewood and Paul Wagner. Definitely appreciate the stickers, guys. I know we gave a shout out to Old Guy Firewood the last time, or on our last video, and we already got a sticker from him. If you guys have stickers you want to send us, let us know. We'll hook you up with an address, and we'll get things going for you. If you're new here, thank you for coming in. And I'm Chuck, and in a minute you can meet Deb, my wife. She's back here getting the splitter uncovered. And we are Iron and Oak Sawmill. And I think you're going to enjoy any of the videos you check out here. We've got nearly 300 of them, so enjoy. But man, sun's getting low in the sky. We're going to get these stickers on here. We got to go check out a job while you guys enjoy the video. Okay guys, as promised, we did get some stickers from viewers of the channel. Old Guy Firewood, we gave him a shout out last week on our last video, and he's already got a sticker out to us. And who do you have, Deb?
Paul Wagner.
Paul Wagner from, was it South Bend Wood Splitters?
Yes.
All right. So let's take a look at these stickers here. Oh, we got a note in here from Old Guy Firewood. Let's see what it says. Chuck and Deb, stickers enclosed as promised in our earlier email. Really enjoying your channel. Stay safe and keep moving. Dick Westbrook. Dick, thank you very much. Check out that sticker, guys. That's pretty cool looking. And earned its spot here on the Easton Made. And Deb, you have one from Paul Wagner?
Yes.
All right, what do you got?
South Haven Wood
South Haven Wood Splitters up there in South Haven, Michigan, I believe. Check that one out. He's got two of them there, right?
Yep.
Let me see that one. We got the nice oval one here. And a good looking round one here. So we're going to choose the oval one because we're running out of space, guys. Well, at least on this side. But we want to get this side filled up, and we'll move around the other side of the tank. We've got plenty of room for stickers, so keep them coming. Like I said, if you need any information about where to send the stickers, let us know, and we'll get that off to you. Okay. So who we going? Who's going first, Paul or Dick? Old Guy Firewood or Paul
right
Wagner?
Here.
Which one?
Old Guy Firewood right here.
Old Guy Firewood right here?
Yes.
All right. Now the fun part. Some of these stickers are real fun to get started. There we go. That's the trick, guys. If you got a tough sticker, get your razor knife there, your box cutter knife, and get it started under there. So I think our stickers are the same way. All right, what do you think, Deb? Center it up there?
Yep.
All right, let's not put her on crooked.
There you go. Looks nice.
There you go, Dick. Right here with Don Scheib. From Outside with Scheib, we got Joe's Premium Firewood, and we're sporting the sweatshirt that Joe sent us. And Firewood at the Furnace with Brad. And Woodruff Woods, you guys saw Darren and Brad and Scheib here a few weeks ago on our video. All right, Deb, what do you got there? You got, oh, no, I have it.
You have it.
I have it. What, Paul's going on the other side? Right over here?
Yep.
All right.
Might take that up a little bit more?
I think I'm okay.
Because you need more room back here. That's what they give you.
Let me make sure I'm not twisted here.
Because you have room up here.
Yeah, there we go. That's good. I think we got room for a couple more on here, depending on how big they are, and then we're moving around to the side where we got room on there. Not much because they got that big Easton Made sticker over there, but
not much.
There it is, guys. South Haven Wood Splitters. Paul Wagner, thank you very much.
Yes,
and
thank
Old
you.
Guy Firewood.
Thank you.
Dick, definitely like your channel. Keep going on that firewood, buddy, and you keep moving as well. All right, let's get started with today's video. Everybody, welcome back to the Iron and Oak Sawmill, where we are headed out to pick up all kinds of wood, both mill logs and firewood. We got the Ford, we got the dump trailer hooked up. We're ready to roll. So the only thing we're waiting for is a pair of tinted safety glasses from my shop. Deb's grabbing those. Or actually from her shop. But Fred called me last night from Wood Guy Tree Service and says, hey, I got a bunch of oak, I got a bunch of ash, I got some hickory. You need any of it? I said, you bet. I said, we're looking at saw logs and firewood. So we're heading out there now. There she is. Hey, Deb.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Want water?
No, I should be all right for now.
Huh?
I should be okay for now.
All right.
Deb's fun time climbing up into the Ford.
Yeah, tons of fun.
But we're taking the 500i along today just in case. And you know what? Hey, any run time you get on that is fun time. So let's get heading out and see what we got waiting for us. Here we are, guys. We got a walking path. We just came down a few hundred yards from the road over there, underneath these power lines. And we found the spot. We've got Dave back here from Wood Guy Tree Service on the Bobcat. We got some big red oaks, a couple of firewood chunks there, maybe a mill log in there. The bottom does show some rot. And we got some standing dead red oak. He's bringing some out, or working on getting some out of there. Had fallen on the fence. Let's get back there and take a look. All right. I'm just trying to stay out of the way. Don't get in the way of the Bobcat. I'm gonna try not to drop it into the trailer. I don't think we're gonna be able to drop it all the way. Couldn't ask for any better than that. That was maybe 2 inches, if that. So. I'm gonna let my buddy Dave try out the 500i. We'll try to get that on video as well. This one's going, I think, with Dave, and I think we're gonna work on the ash tree. There's a standing dead ash tree over here too, so we'll get some instant firewood out of that one. But here's where he's been cleaning out. We've got this dead red oak, the standing dead. Well, took out this fence, so he got this stuff cleaned up from the other side, brought it out. As you can see, I mean, standing dead red oak. You tell me. We could throw a moisture meter on it. We'll do that in a video. Just see just how dry this stuff is. We'll split it open, throw a moisture meter on it. So right now, working on permission to take out standing dead ash. But I told him we'll go to that crotch right there and still see if we can pull some mill logs out. If not, we got some instant firewood. We got the standing dead red oak here. We got this good white oak behind it. That one's, of course, staying. It's healthy, but he's going to tie into that, climb up here, and top this one out, drop that in the yard here, and we'll just drop the trunk after that. But there's a lot of good red oak in that. Dave on the 500, he likes it already. All stock, 25-inch bar, no bark box on it. I don't think I'm gonna go with it. I think I'm just gonna leave her stock for now.
My game's nice too. Hey, did you get to use this yet?
No. All right, I'm gonna get myself out of here into a safe area. Deb is behind me. She's watching the walking path for pedestrians, so nobody's gonna come strolling in here.
Watching that way too?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
There we go. Up. Nice. Just made the path. Nobody's truck's even close. Everybody's safe. We got this little bit of ash here from the top of that tree. We got these 2 logs here. I believe these are the ones we're going to be taking back. It's all going to be firewood at this point. These logs are too bowed to do anything else with. I think might be out here again tomorrow. Finish this up because it's getting pretty late today. It's like 5:40, and we got a premiere video coming out at 8:30 tonight. That one banged pretty hard.
Yeah. That's ugly. That's an ugly one.
Let's go right here. Probably no sense to plug around one more.
Shrapnel.
They made a mess.
All right, guys, I'm going to pass the camera back over to Deb. We're on our way back out the power line walking trail path here. So just wanted to show you guys where we had to come back through. Is the end of the trail here? Yes. Okay. Back on the road, guys.
Got to pull over.
Unlock the hubs. All right, guys, following morning, got home too late to get any more video. It was dark out. We still haven't dumped the trailer. We're gonna go do that now. All right, guys, we made it back over to the log yard. No, we have not touched that pile that we did the collaboration with Shibe and Brad and Darren, and we still have to get to this yet. We've been so tied up because if you notice, if you watch that video, this area here was loaded with red oak logs.
All gone.
You can see now, plenty of room. So Deb and I jumped on those. Finally, those are the biggest number of logs we had. We jumped on those, got them cleaned up. We've got quarter sawn and plain sawn, and if you've watched our videos, you got to see some of those going down. So that's what we've been busy on, trying to get those out of here because they've been sitting for too long. So let's get this dumped, and we've got people coming to pick stuff up today. We got people coming to drop stuff off today, and we've got to go back out and get the last of the, I guess it's red oak out there. There's one more standing dead. All right, let's get her emptied out. Okay, what we're going to do, guys, is when we get to bucking and splitting this stuff, want to test moisture content on something like this. Guys talk about standing dead red oak and how dry it is and almost ready to sell, but I mean, you can see this stuff is checking pretty hard already. And it may be dry, but what we're going to do is cut, split, and get a fresh split moisture content reading on this. And that'll be able to tell us whether it's going to be ready for sale sooner or later. Or more sooner than later. So, of course, we got the ash. We know that's ready to go.
Small cherry.
And a very tiny cherry log underneath there. We'll just add that to our pile of cherry right here.
Yep.
All right, guys. That's it for now. We're going to bring the dump trailer down, get back over to the house, and get ready for what we got. One guy picking up and one guy dropping off.
Yep.
Morning, got rid of most of the scrap. Got these 2 walnut logs. Unfortunately, there was so much scrap going to this one guy. He was unable to pick up the stuff we milled for him. So he'll be back in a couple of days to get that. Okay, guys, we're back out on the power line again today. On the walking path where we picked up all the oak and the ash yesterday. Getting one more tree down that I'm aware of. Gonna load it up and haul it out. But Jason and Dave are already here. They've been here for a while. We've been working on the other stuff you saw. It's about 12:30 now, and we're ready to get some logs out of here. All right, guys, this is the red oak. They said they've already got it topped out. Showed that a bit yesterday. Anybody says you can't fell a tree with a 250, you have to check this out. I'm going to back myself up. There you go. For that, right? Missed that completely.
That's what I was going.
All right, once again, guys, heading out the power line walking path here. Heck of a lot less weight in the trailer today. Okay, guys, back at the wood yard. Dad's got the gates opened up. We're ready to dump out the rest of this red oak. It's gonna make some nice firewood. And maybe we'll try to do something out of this one. Get some 4x4s or something. We'll see. Got a couple in here might do something with, but we'll find out. Here, close your door. Hey, Deb. Deb. Nice work. So, Deb, what do you think? Let's go down and get some pallets
Yes.
with this and the trailer.
Yes.
Sounds like a plan.
Where they sit.
Pass on the mower.
Careful.
Good.
Apparently good. Push, Chuck, push. Seven pallets, 3.5 before.
I'll use those as... They're thin pallets, but I know somebody with a sawmill that will reinforce them with some boards. All right, one more job done here at the Iron Oak Sawmill. All right, guys, loaded up with pallets. We're heading over to the wood yard.
It's like an eye right there. Look at that. Here.
All right, guys, sorry we didn't get a whole lot of video of the mill work, but out of those logs, 2 really nice 5x11 mantles, about 10 feet long. Little sapwood on that, but they said they'll put that on the bottom back against the wall and you won't be able to see that. So they're set up, and then this is all the 8/4 we cut. But good stuff. Deb has the exact board footage. Maybe we'll grab that from her and see where we ended up here. Well, we got the truck all packed up. Of course, the miser's all packed up. There's our scrap pile. Hey, Deb.
Yes, dear.
How many board feet do we have on this job?
819.
819 board feet. Not a bad day. 4.5 hours. And that came with some custom cutting of the mantles. So, all right, guys, I'm going to get back on the road. Get home, get this set back up because we've got a poplar log waiting, the 3rd of 3 poplar logs waiting. So we're going to complete that job and get that one moving down the road as well. So there it is, guys. That's a typical weekend for Iron and Oak Sawmill. We are always on the go, getting logs, getting firewood, checking out jobs, moving lumber, moving slabs, and moving scrap. So hopefully you enjoyed it. And as you notice back there, Sawmill's not there. It's hooked up to the Toyota out here, getting ready to go out to another mill job tomorrow for, what are we milling?
Red oak.
Lots of red oak.
Yes.
I don't know the board footage, but 1,000 board feet, maybe.
Oh, I'm not sure.
800 board feet, something like that. A lot of big red oak logs going to get done tomorrow. Maybe we'll get some footage and have that in a future video. We got black walnut videos coming up. I know that we just moved 3 big black walnut logs over to the mill, so stay tuned for that. We're going to be probably do separate videos on those because they're going to take a while to get done. And I think we're going to have some slabs out of that and some lumber. So stay tuned for those. I think that'll about wrap it up. Hey, if you're new here and you like what you saw today, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and you'll get a notification every time we put a video out here on YouTube. And guess what? It doesn't cost you a dime, and it helps support the channel. If you're watching the videos, try to watch them all the way through, guys. That really helps the channel out a lot, and we definitely appreciate that. For everybody who's been showing up week in and week out,
Thank you.
thank you, guys. The support of the channel is great. We are just surpassed 27,400 subscribers. We're shooting for that 30,000 before the end of the year. It's going to be tight. I don't know, maybe it'll roll in the next year. Okay, but either way, we're definitely having fun doing this, and we thank you guys for showing up. All right, so if you have any questions about what we're doing here at the mill with any of the stuff you just saw in the video, the sawmill, the tractor, a log splitter, whatever it is, please put it down in the comment section. We'd be glad to help you out. And as always, thanks everybody for stopping out, and we'll see you at our next time.
Take care.